brand new advanced market watch is more organized than ever. Each type of the symbols is categorized in a group like a tree. And you can right-click on the market watch, then go to Show, Hide Symbols, and choose to show or hide symbols. By going to Properties, you can find important details about the financial instrument, such as contract size, maximum and minimum amount per deal. Also, by right-click, you can trade symbols, which opens the one-click trading screen. Place new entry order. Show the chart for the selected currency. Highlight symbol. Show and hide columns on the market watch. Generate reports. And export DDE to an Excel sheet.